Hi everybody, Nick here with another collection of cards available at my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. These are my Valentine's Day bridge cards. They're super fun to make. Let me show you the different ones. So we have the "You Are So Stinkin' Cute" with that cute little skunk. "Donut, You Know I Love You." "I Love You a Waffle Lot." "You're My Lobster" with that sweet little lobster. And then "I Choo Choo Choose You." This is the one that I'm going to show you how to make today. They all come with an envelope. The cutout on the envelopes are all the same. They're very, very easy to make. So let me show you how to put it together. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. Before we start the assembly, I do want to tell you a few things for when you import the file into Design Space. This is the main card base. There are 4 score lines that will need to be converted to score lines in Cricut Design Space, as well as the score line on the envelope. And then for the sentiment piece, the text will need to be converted to pen in the operation menu. If you need help with using the operation menu, I have a link in the video description as well as in the product page for these cards. So I've already gone ahead and layered the train and layered the sentiment onto the mat, and then the railroad onto the larger of the 2 grass pieces. Now every single one of these are going to have a layered design for the center of the card. Some of them are a little bit more complicated. Some of them are pretty easy, like this train. It just depends on which one you're going to use, but they're all pretty self-explanatory once you get everything cut out and take a look at the different pieces. So I don't really think that you're going to have any issue there. I'm going to go ahead and move the envelope out of the way for a few minutes so we can just concentrate on the card. So taking our card base, we're going to rotate it 90 degrees, fold along the score lines away from us, and then towards us. Turn it to the other side and do the same thing. Away from us first, and then towards us. Place it on your table and use your scraper to burnish those folds really well. Open the card up, and that's going to give us our basic card shape. Okay. Now, take the larger of the 2 grass pieces for this particular file. Add some glue on this side of the card base. And then line up the left edge of the grass piece with the card base. You also want to line up your bottom edge. And then press down. And now for the other side, you just open up this left tab. Make sure that this right tab is folded down nice and flat. Add glue to this piece. Make sure that we line everything up nice. Fold the card over. There we go. Okay, I'm going to hold off on doing this second piece for right now. Now let's do our back here. Just go ahead and slip that in. You could also do this at the beginning too. Be a little bit easier when everything is flat. There we go. Now we can do our cover panels. Okay, now we have our cover panels on. Now for the train itself, the file will come with a little pop-up insert that will fit inside the center area of the bridge card. You don't have to use it. It's totally up to you. You can take the train and just glue it to the back here, or if you want to create just a little bit of dimension, you can go ahead and use the pop-up. So for the pop-up, you just add your glue and then place your embellishment on top. Make sure that you line up the edges the best that you can. Now go ahead and fold the tabs towards us. Okay. You can burnish those folds with your scraper. Flip the card upside down. Add your glue or adhesive to the outside of those tabs, and then just insert that pop-up piece into the center there. And then I like to have it up against the bridge portion, which in this case, that is the grass portion that we already put in. Press that down. And then give the card a fold. There we go. Okay, see how that gives a little bit of dimension there in the center? Now you can take your sentiment layer and you can place it kind of at an angle like I have in some of them. You can have them straight up. It doesn't matter which side you put it on. It totally is up to you. And then you can put your other grassy piece down just like that. Okay, and now you can add your clouds wherever you'd like. And the card is done. Isn't that cute? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and place that to the side so I can show you how to do the envelope. So this envelope is a little bit different than I normally make, just so that I could fit it, because this is a little bit of a larger card. I needed a larger space for it to be able to slip into. The card is actually a little bit bigger than a 5x7 card. So in order to fit it on one piece of paper, I needed to make the envelope a little bit different. So I'm going to fold along the score lines and then burnish the folds. Now take our inlay panel, add glue to the edge of the inlay, and then around the cutout. Go ahead and place your inlay onto the envelope. Now turn the envelope around, and you're going to add your glue. And lift the bottom flap up and give the whole envelope a nice press. And there is the envelope. Okay, I think that I've let that dry enough. So to place the card in the envelope, you're just going to fold it to the left. And then slowly place that inside the envelope. And then go ahead and fold the card down. Aren't these fun cards? Let me show you the different ones that we have available. So you saw the choo-choo train. I just love that little sentiment. I choo-choo choose you. So there's the choo-choo train. Then we have the cute little You're My Lobster. Then I Love You, a waffle lot with that cute little heart waffle and some syrup and butter. Super cute. This one is one of my favorites. Donut, You Know I Love You. Cute little coffee cup, that yummy little donut, and then all these sprinkles all over. Super cute. And then the last one is You Are So Stinkin' Cute with that cute little skunk. I love it with the different flowers. Really, really cute. So all of these are available in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. They're available in all kinds of different file formats. So I'm excited to see how you guys put them together. Until next time, I'll see you later. Happy crafting. Bye.